I'm restoring the drivetrain and suspension on my 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country Synchro, which requires me to take a lot of parts off the car. I needed to drop the gas tank out of the car, which is shown here in the diagram highlighted in yellow, which is attached to the car with a couple of metal straps, and those straps are fastened to the body with a couple of bolts. Here's my gas tank showing those two 13mm bolts. I first soaked them with Marble Mystery Oil, then cracked them loose by hand and let them soak overnight. The next morning I had no trouble getting the passenger side bolt loose, as you can see in these clips. However, the hex head on the driver's side bolt was too rounded off from rust to be able to grip the socket. Before welding on a new hex head, I removed as much rust as I could. I then took an old unused lug nut and I bored out one end with a step bit so that it would fit better over the rounded out hex head. I'll add this one to the collection. Meanwhile, I ordered 2 new bolts from eBay. Thanks for watching, more videos to come.